Hi, my name is Angel Granados. I work here at RUDY'S Titanium. I'm one of the staff members here. I help around the office a lot. I deliver packages to properties. I'm more like Rudy's right-hand man. I help him whenever he needs me. I help any of the staff, any of the agents. I help him set up the events. I think what means the most to me of our core values is core value number 9, self-employment mentality, because you don't have to worry about having someone tell you what to do. You're able to tell yourself, oh, you need to do this, you need to do this, and be on top of yourself, instead of having someone to be on top of you and be telling you what to do all the time. My experience working with the team is great. Everybody here has a great attitude and positive energy. Every time I come into the office, everyone's smiling and happy and looking forward to coming to work every day. And that's how I feel every morning when I wake up. And I want to thank Rudy for giving me this opportunity to work with him, because he's a great leader. He doesn't like to manage the office himself. He likes everybody to have their own self-employment mentality, and I want to thank him for that, and I look to many more years working with the team.
Hi, my name is Alex Chandra. I'm an admin assistant / assistant TC here at RUDY'S Titanium, Team New Vision, and Rudy Kusuma. My job description is to help the real estate agent to wherever they need, and also picking up phones and giving them the contact information, and then putting them in our system, and then so that the ISA can call and make appointment for the real estate agents. So I've been working with Rudy Kusuma for almost 1 month now, and I've been learning and growing in the team. Rudy is a very good teacher. I've been learning a lot of stuff from him, and also when he teaches do the training for our staff and for our real estate agent, he's been very amazing, and I've been growing to become more like a transaction coordinator in this company, and also I've been learning a lot from the agents and as well from Rudy. In our company, there's 10 core values. One of the core values that's very special to me is number 7. Be passionate and determined in your work. Why? Because I'm just working here for only 1 month, and I've been growing in this company. And also, when Rudy saw me that I can do something better, he put me in that position. That's why I'm so thankful, I'm so blessed that I can work with Rudy Kusuma and be a part of this team.
Hi, my name is Nu. I'm the bookkeeper here. I'm in charge of all the expensive and anything cash or money related. My experience working here has been a very positive and influential one. I think in this team, everyone's very uplifting and hardworking. Our core value number 5, open and honest communication, is very important to me because there's no hidden messages. And with that, I'm very thankful for Rudy for giving me this opportunity to work with him and his team.
Hi guys, my name is Margaret. I'm the ISA team leader here at RUDY'S Titanium, Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. I've been with the company for about 2 years, and I came in with zero knowledge of real estate. And after joining this team, I obtained my real estate license, and I am part of management, I guess. I am trying to build a positive team spirit along the staff team, where we have an open door communication where we're all on the same page. And I thank Rudy for the opportunity of working and being part of his team.
Hi everyone, this is Mary. I have been with Team New Vision for 1.5 years, and I am one of the TC in the team. One of the best thing to be part of this team is continuous learning, personal growth, and learning to be more self-employed. Because as a TC, beside the base salary, we are also based on our performance and how we service our clients. So Rudy and his team has taught us a lot about self-employed mentality. So I have been blessed, and I hope we all will be grow inside this community. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Veronica.
I'm Grace.
And we're both part of the inside sales team for Rudy Kusuma home selling team. So basically what we do, we answer incoming calls and we book appointments to our OSAs, which are our outside sales agents. We book on timing and motivation, make sure that they're ready to buy now or that they're looking to buy within 3 to 6 months. Once we're done determining their timing and motivation is when we book the appointment to a selected OSA. So we usually match them by personality. If we feel one OSA can help close the deal better, then we'll go ahead and connect the client with that OSA. And usually I take care of the Spanish part and Grace takes care of the Mandarin. So we do both do foreign languages, and we also do English, but mainly we focus on the foreign language.
For the past year that we've been working here, I've learned a lot about real estate and how to work with everybody. It is a very positive environment. Everyone is here to learn and teach other people. We're here to serve clients, and the best part is where when someone did really well, everyone celebrates together, and most importantly, when someone gets their house sold or someone bought their dream home, that is the best part for the team, and we always celebrate it and record it on the video, and we just spread it to the world.
Yeah. So my experience also is I've been here about almost a year, also 8 months. And I think this team is so different compared to my previous jobs as well. I feel this environment is very positive and very uplifting. The training is provided daily. There's always opportunities to grow. And like she said, we celebrate, and I feel like that creates a good environment for everybody. And it builds a positive environment that everybody wants and needs sometimes to keep you at ease and to actually love what you do. So yeah, I thank Rudy for giving me the opportunity, because this is such a great team to be a part of, and it's great.
Among the 10 core values, the both of us agree that what makes us, what we have a strong feeling about is the self-employment mentality. Since both of us are in charge of our own I'm in charge of Mandarin, she's in charge of Spanish. We're pretty much, no one's behind us and on top of us telling us what to do, or if we're doing good or bad. We really have to bring it out and ask for help. So we're very excited for the upcoming years and months for us to grow. So thank you, Rudy. Thank you, team.
Yeah, thank you, Rudy, for the opportunity again.
Hi, my name is Katerina. I'm working with Rudy as transaction coordinator. My position is to gathering all that documents, like disclosures, and to make sure all signed by both sides, and schedule for appointment for like home inspection, termite inspection. So we just want to make sure everything's compliance. My working experience with Rudy is learning a lot about real estate and also about the core value self-employed, which is, help me to do everything by myself, even no one's around. So I'm really happy about it, and thank you, Rudy, to give me a chance working with you.
Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kusuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the only one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS, or RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.
Work my old
I value and all the opportunities that he's presented.
To that, and as you can see, if you guys pan the camera on that side. I know, look at my positive team there.
And I'm Grace. For the past 8 months that we've been working here. Oh no, stop!
Now, I don't know. My experience. You're laughing. You can make that funny thing.